Failing the CompTIA CySA Plus exam doesn't just cost money, it stalls your cybersecurity career. And most people fail for one reason. They study the wrong way. They memorize, but freeze when faced with real scenarios. That changes now if you're serious about passing the CySA Plus on your first try. In this video, you'll tackle realistic exam-style questions on threat detection, incident response, and vulnerability management, just like the CySA Plus. Don't just watch, pause, think, and commit to your answer. Let's see if you're ready. Question 1. An analyst notices repeated failed login attempts followed by a successful login from the same IP address. What type of attack is most likely occurring? A. Pass the hash attack. B. Brute force attack. C. SQL injection. D. Phishing attack. Pause for a few seconds and consider your answer. Correct answer is B. Brute force attack. Explanation. This pattern, multiple failed attempts followed by success, strongly indicates a brute force attack. The attacker systematically tries passwords until one works. Detecting this early is critical to prevent unauthorized access. Question 2. Which metric is most useful for prioritizing vulnerability remediation efforts? A. CVSS score. B. Asset inventory list. C. Firewall rules. D. Log retention policy. Think carefully before answering. The correct answer is A. CVSS score. Explanation. The Common Vulnerability Scoring System, CVSS, provides a standardized way to assess severity. Higher scores indicate higher risk, helping analysts prioritize what to fix first. If you want more real exam-level CompTIA CySA Plus practice questions like these, platforms like P2P Exams offer curated question banks that mirror actual exam difficulty. Definitely worth checking out during your prep. Question 3. During which phase of incident response are systems restored to normal operations? A. Detection. B. Containment. C. Recovery. D. Eradication. Take 5 seconds to think before answering. Correct answer is C. Recovery. Explanation. The recovery phase focuses on restoring systems, validating functionality, and ensuring the threat is fully removed before returning to production. Question 4. Which tool aggregates and analyzes logs from multiple sources in real time? A. IDS. B. SIEM. C. Antivirus. D. VPN. Pause for a few seconds and consider your answer. Correct answer is B. SIEM. Explanation. A security information and event management (SIEM) system collects and correlates logs across systems, enabling real-time threat detection and analysis. Question 5. What type of threat intelligence provides high-level strategic insights for executives? A. Tactical. B. Operational. C. Technical. D. Strategic. Pause for a few seconds and consider your answer. Correct answer is C. Strategic. Explanation. Strategic intelligence focuses on long-term trends and risks, helping leadership make informed security decisions. In this session, you tackled real CySA Plus scenarios across threat detection, vulnerability management, incident response, and security monitoring. These are the kinds of challenges that test more than knowledge. They test how you think, and we're not stopping here. In the next videos, you'll go deeper into advanced CySA Plus topics to keep sharpening your edge. For full-length practice tests and realistic exam scenarios, visit p2pexams.com and take your preparation further. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and get closer to passing your CySA Plus on the first try.